Welcome to Easy English Discovery.
Welcome to today's video. We're going to take a glimpse into the daily life of a homemaker. I encourage you to listen carefully as we explore her routine and the significance of her tasks. At the end, I'll explain the meanings of some important and challenging words to enhance your understanding. Let's begin.
Hello, my name is Sarah, and I am a homemaker. My day is filled with various tasks that keep our home running smoothly. I start my day early, preparing breakfast for my family, ensuring they have a nutritious start. After they leave, I tidy up the kitchen. Washing dishes. And wiping down surfaces. Once the house is quiet, I allocate time for budgeting and scheduling appointments. It's essential to keep track of expenses and plan ahead. In the afternoon, I dedicate myself to housekeeping. This includes laundry, vacuuming, and dusting. I also take a moment to nurture my garden. Pruning plants and weeding. As evening approaches, I prepare dinner. Often trying new recipes to delight my family. We congregate at the table to share our day and enjoy the meal together. Before bed, I organize for the next day, laying out clothes. And prepping lunches. It's a solace to know everything is set for a new day. Thank you for joining me in understanding the daily routine of a homemaker.
Now, let's look at some of the more intriguing words. Tidy up. To make a place look better by putting things in the correct place. Allocate. To set aside for a specific purpose. Dedicate. To devote time or effort to a particular task or purpose. Nurture. To care for and encourage the growth or development of. Pruning. Cutting away dead or overgrown branches or stems, especially to encourage growth. Weeding. The action of removing unwanted plants from an area. Congregate. To gather into a crowd or mass. Organize. To arrange systematically, order. Solace. Comfort or consolation in a time of distress or sadness. Intriguing. Arousing one's curiosity or interest, fascinating.